vegetables for a fruitful life. Dedicated to those who eat healthy or try to. Broccoli is like a tiny green tree. It can be eaten steamed or cheesy. Many people surely agree that broccoli is perfectly good and tasty. Brussels sprouts are tiny green balls. They have got vitamins, minerals, fiber and all. Many people express their distaste, but Brussels sprouts should be widely embraced. Avocados are more renowned. Everywhere you go, they are all around. They are packed with tons of healthy compounds. They have completely earned a shiny crown. I advise you to eat these and more. There are fruits and vegetables galore. Eat vegetables for a fruitful life. Please like and subscribe.